Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how many degrees a point at the edge of a CD will move in 3 seconds. And I included a link here on my notes for those of you that don't know what a CD player is. I feel like I'm dating myself with that since no one uses them anymore. The compact discs were basically like this. This was a hole in the middle, and you played music on them. So music came off of those. You put them in a disc player. So if there is a point here, how many times when it's rotating? So as it rotates, how many degrees is that in 3 seconds? So we're told that this CD player, yeah, and this is a typo here, excuse me. Go ahead and fix that in your notes if it's not fixed already. So suppose the CD player makes 430 revolutions per minute. So 430 revolutions per minute. This comes down to a unit conversion because we want to know how far this point will move in 3 seconds, how many degrees per second. So this is what we're starting with. And our goal is degrees. Let me just use the degree symbol here, degrees per second. So let's do some unit conversions. First, let's convert from minutes to seconds. So I'm going to put minutes in the numerator here and seconds in the bottom. In 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. So that takes care of minutes. So as you can see, we have seconds in the denominator now. And next thing we have to do is we have to cancel out revolutions. Well, think about it. One full revolution would be 360 degrees. And I know I'm going clockwise. I should be going clockwise, but I sketched this clockwise instead of counterclockwise. So let me fix that. So this full revolution is 360 degrees. And this sketch here, clockwise, counterclockwise, it's a product of the fact that I don't remember which direction CD players spin, and it's been so long since I've used one. Okay, so let's go ahead and cancel out revolutions then. So here's one revolution. One revolution is how many degrees? It's 360 degrees. And I'm going to move our goal up here just so we can, oops, I didn't mean to trash that. Here's our goal. Remember, our goal is in degrees per second. So now I went ahead and canceled out revolutions here. And I'll use color to match up which ones cancel out. So this really is a question of multiplying 430 by 360, then dividing by 60. All right, and what does that give us? That works out to be 2,000, excuse me, 2,580 degrees per second. Well, we're not quite done because remember, we wanted to know how far it would move, how many degrees in 3 seconds. So in order to figure that out, let's multiply by 3. So 2,580 degrees in 1 second. So multiply by 3 to get our final answer. 3 times 2,580 degrees is equal to 7,740 degrees. All right, so we know this point at the edge of the CD will move 7,740 degrees in 3 seconds. Keep calm and math on.